High Court judges Eric Ogola, Dr. Frida Mugambi and Anthony Mrima have refused to recuse themselves from a petition filed by Rigathi Gachagua challenging his impeachment as a deputy president. It was the second time in a week that the court dealt the impeached deputy president a blow. On Wednesday, the three-judge bench ruled that the deputy chief justice had lawfully impaneled and assigned it to handle the matter. As Emmanuel Toh now reports, the matter on lifting or extending conservatory orders barring the swearing-in of nominee Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki is set for hearing next Tuesday.
It was a ruling that was short and precise at the High Court Milimani. The three-judge bench made up of presiding judge Eric Ogola yet again delivered a hard blow on impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua.
The grounds raised for recusal in this case.
In the ruling read by Justice Ogola, Dr. Frida Mugambi and Anthony Mrima stated that the issues for consideration, including the concept of recusal in line with the Constitution, the grounds of impartiality and bias raised by the impeached Deputy President, and whether or not the applications were merited, were not substantiated.
The applications for recusals are hereby disallowed. Leave to appeal is hereby granted. Typed proceedings and certified copies of this ruling to be availed to parties at cost or as the case may be.
Gachagua's lawyers had alleged conflict of interest and bias, arguing that Senate Speaker Amason Kingi attended Justice Anthony Mrima's wedding and had a close relationship with him. They also alleged that Justice Ogola's wife was appointed to the Kenya Water Towers Agency Board, chaired by an appointee of the president. In part of an affidavit that Gachagua's advocates wanted expunged, a request rejected by the bench, they also alleged that Dr. Frida Mugambi was Professor Kindiki's master's degree student, which they later conceded was not true. The judges directing both parties to file amended copies of their petitions or defenses within 5 days and the responses after service. The court will resume with consideration of the prayers to seek extension or otherwise of the orders, stopping the replacement of Gachagua as deputy president.
The said applications in one above are hereby fixed for hearing on 29th of October 2024 at 10 a.m. in this court.
Orders from Justice Chacha Mwita stopping the implementation of the Senate decision to kick out Gachagua and swearing in of Kindiki lapsed midnight Thursday. However, conservatory orders from Judge Richard Mururu Mwongo prevent any person, including Professor Kithure Kindiki, who was appointed by the President and approved by the National Assembly, from assuming the office of the Deputy President pending the hearing and determination of the application inter partes. Gachagua unsuccessfully challenged the empanelment of the bench by the Deputy Chief Justice. And after hours of arguments within the courtroom, the jury is finally out, and it is yet another blow for the impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, whose fate now hangs in the balance. The court sits on Tuesday. Emmanuel Toh, Citizen TV, Milimani Law Courts, Nairobi.